Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Let's get into the video today and learn 10 new information.
Who is the famous scholar of Hadith in Islam? Your options are option A, Imam Bukhari, or option B, Imam Malik. The right answer is option A, Imam Bukhari. What is Qiyas? Your options are option A, laws from Hadith, or option B, private judgment derived from Quran, Sunnah and Ijma. The right answer is option B, private judgment derived from Quran, Sunnah and Ijma. How many hadiths does Al-Muwatta contain? Your options are option A, 1700, or option B, 1500. The right answer is option A, 1700. Who is the second most famous scholar of Hadith in Islam? Your options are option A, Imam Bukhari, or option B, Imam Muslim. The right answer is option B, Imam Muslim. What is the third most famous hadith book in Islam? Your options are option A, Nasa'i, or option B, Musnad al-Tirmidhi. The right answer is option B, Musnad al-Tirmidhi. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Waqi'ah? Your options are option A, 74, or option B, 96. The right answer is option B, 96. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Hadid? Your options are option A, 36, or option B, 29. The right answer is option B, 29. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Mujadila? Your options are option A, 22, or option B, 43. The right answer is option A, 22. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Hashr? Your options are option A 59 or option B 24. The right answer is option B, 24. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Mumtahina? Your options are option A, 19 or option B, 13. The right answer is option B, 13.
Every new information you learn about Islam and share with others, inshallah, you will be rewarded sadaqah jariyah for it. So to learn more information about Islam consistently, subscribe to our channel and check our new videos. If you are new to this video, please check our old episodes and subscribe to our channel. Alhamdulillah.